How to feature channels on YouTube mobile. So this is a very easy tutorial. First thing to do is to simply go to your Google web browser. Actually, you can use any web browser here, but I'll be using Google web browser. As you can see, if I open YouTube application, unfortunately, you cannot create or you cannot do that tutorial here. You cannot create feature channels on YouTube application. So we have to exit and then go to Google web browser. And then here you have to type studio.youtube.com and then click the first one that will appear here. Now, if you have your YouTube creator, you just have to simply go to that application if you want, but it would be good if you do the tutorial here or if you edit or create feature channels using your web browser. Now you have to change this to desktop side or desktop mode. To do that, you just have to go to the three dots at the top right corner, tap that one, and then you just have to check desktop side. So you can see a box right there, and you just have to check that. And then what you're going to do here is to simply zoom to see that profile picture. But if you can see your profile picture, this orange at the top right corner, you just have to tap that one. Okay, see that? Tap that. And then here you can change your account if you want to. Just have to tap that and then switch account. Now that you have switched your account or you're using your real account, all you have to do is to go to the left side and then look for customization. Okay, I think that's the last option there. Tap that one. And then here you can see feature sections. You just have to tap add selection and you can see here options, but you have to click this feature channels. Okay, that's below subscription. Now you can add a section title for that. For example, ASMR or let's just say favorites. And then once you're done, you can add any YouTube link here or URL. For example, I'm going to search my other account if I want my other YouTube account to be featured on my channel. But this time, I'll just have to choose an ASMR creator or a popular person in ASMR world. Okay, tap this one and then click publish. Now, if you go to your YouTube channel or YouTube application, or if people visit your YouTube, then they will see your featured channel right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.